Welcome to my new video. Okay, here we have the treadmill, which is a Life Fitness 95T, and it's an integrity series console. And the problem is it's not the activity zone keypad not detected, and the problem is with this keypad. Now what we are going to do, we will replace this, and you will see that this will remove. So first we will have to remove this, and to remove this we have to remove this cover, and we will remove this cover and then see. Now I have dismantled this, and here you can see, here is this, and we are going to dismantle this, and we have just purchased the new one, and here we have the new one. And if you want this, you may contact us for this part. We are going to replace this. Now I have installed this new one, and now I'm going to plug in this, and yes, here you can see replace emergency switch. I'm going to replace this, and I have to connect the emergency, and let's see, and there's no error. Going to press the start button. And now I have packed this card, and here it's fully functional, and everything is working fine. So and if you want this part, you may contact us.